You keep telling yourself you'll finish next week. The new service, the new automation, the app you've been thinking about building for months. But it's been 6 months now, and all of your best ideas are sitting in your app graveyard. And the longer you wait, the more momentum you lose, and the more it feels like maybe you're the problem. Now, this video shows you the hidden habit that quietly is killing your follow-through, and how to break it without adding more on your plate. That way, you can finally start finishing what matters and stop letting the most valuable ideas die halfway built. Why do good ideas stall? Well, first of all, it's not your fault. The brutal truth is most AI tools are optimized to be flashy and not real-world software. So when things break, it feels like you messed up. So their approach, just prompt better, doesn't work. The issue isn't your prompt, it's that AI has zero idea what you're trying to build unless you give it structure, context, and direction first. When you one-shot something, you immediately are in bug-fixing mode. For example, I had a lovable app that I one-shotted in one prompt. Now, this is for a multiplayer poker app. And you know what? It looks pretty great. You can do a lot of things with this app. A lot of great stuff. Now, again, it's nice to see something, but now you have to go back and figure out what works and what doesn't. I have no idea. And I don't understand necessarily how hard it's going to be to scale it. When you get a high-level plan with BrainGrid, you can see the path, then dive into the details. Now, the invisible gap between idea and execution, there's a lot to consider. AI can write code, but it can't read your mind. And without a plan, it stalls or builds something totally wrong. Like the unopened box in the hallway, your ideas gather dust, not because they're bad, but because they feel ambitious, uncomfortable, and overwhelming to start. Now, why does your brain avoid starting, even when you care about the project? When there's no clear starting point, your brain flags the project as danger, and you unconsciously avoid it to make sure you stay safe and efficient. Now, what changes when you add structure? When you map the shape of the project before writing code, the AI finally has something to latch onto, and the execution stops being so fragile, and you know where to start. Now, the point is, this isn't about tools only. It's mainly about your thinking. You don't need to add all of these new software and tools. You need a clear way to translate your idea into something buildable, testable, and you know what? Then you can finish your project. So if this feels familiar, make sure you watch episode 2. There's going to be a link down below where we break down what's actually missing between your idea and AI written code. If you like this video, make sure that you like and subscribe. We do this every single week. And this week, this video is brought to you by BrainGrid. Now, this is a software to have that in-between gap that we've been talking about. But remember, write down your idea. Let us know what you're trying to build, and then we can look at the plan to execute it to make sure your app comes to life.